Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. This video is just a quick laundry room refresh, or more so it is a clean with me. I recently had some work done in this laundry room. I also replaced my washer and dryer, so I just wanted to refresh it a little bit, clean it up. I didn't do anything too fancy in here, but I at least wanted to show you the improvements that I have made. First and foremost, I want to say thank you to all who continue to watch my channel and support me. If it were not for you, I would not have a channel. To all my new subscribers, I thank you so very much for clicking that subscribe button. If you continue to watch my videos, what you'll see is the color palette series and how I'll teach you how to mix and match your colors, not only through the fall, holiday, and Christmas season, but all throughout the year. Part of this video is a collaboration, and what I want to share with you is this laundry hamper. It is a laundry hamper with shelf and removable bags. It has 3 sections. It is on wheels, and it basically allows you to keep your laundry room items organized. I'm using it here for laundry items, but you can also use it as a bathroom caddy in order to keep your bathroom products organized. We purchased this home almost 2 years ago, and ever since we moved in, I've really wanted to replace my washer and dryer. I finally achieved that. So here it is, my new washer and dryer set. As you can see, it has many more features or settings where I'll definitely be able to save some money and not have to carry or take my clothes to the cleaners as much. So I definitely wanted to show that or share that with you. The rest of this video, or this handy dandy item here, is the collaboration. This is a collaboration with a company, Eteli. Eteli is an online store on Amazon. You can find them there. And again, this is a laundry hamper with shelf and removable 3-bag section. As you can see, the bag is very wide, very deep. This side that I'm showing you now would be for your clothing, and then the other 2 sides, it can also be for clothing, but what I've decided to do is just put 1 or 2 laundry products in, at least in the top shelf. I'm showing this and displaying this as a laundry caddy, but again, this can be easily put into your bathroom and used as a bathroom caddy. Now, if you just look closely, you'll see that it is on wheels. As you can see, I'm slightly pushing it and it rolls easily. It does have the locking wheel mechanism, so you can lock the wheels in place so that it is stationary. If you have a smaller laundry room or a smaller space where just a little bit more storage would help you, then this definitely is one of the products that you want to take a look at in order to keep yourself organized, but also for maximum space utilization. And again, this collaboration is with a company named Eteli. That's how you spell it, Eteli. And you can find them on Amazon. They have great products in order to help you keep organized for smaller spaces. I'm just panning the camera, showing you kind of what I've done so far. And again, the laundry room, I did not set it up to be fancy. I set it up to be functional. So I basically just cleaned in here a little bit, got the dust off the baseboards, of course vacuumed the rug, and cleaned and sanitized the countertop, including the sink. All of the information pertaining to this product will be in the description box, so make sure you check it out. This is a handy dandy product that's multi-use for laundry rooms, bathrooms. Use your creativity. It will definitely work for you. This is Freddie. I'm Freddie King's Home Decor, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.